Noise in soil pollution. Marine pollution means it is defined as the direct or indirect introduction of the substances by humans into marine environment. Means in the sea water that may result in that will create harmful effect on the marine organisms, and it is harmful to the human health and the organisms which exist in the sea water. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Marine pollution related to sea water. म्हणजे समुद्रामध्ये जे पाणी आहे त्यामध्ये जे pollution is, that pollution may be due to several causes, like due to mixing of water, wastewater from the sewage runoffs, erosion of the sediments due to mining, coastal dredging, industrial waste discharge into the water, coastal areas, seepage from the landfill areas, accident from the crude oil tankers in high seas, offshore oil drilling operations, or due to plastic waste floating due to dumping in the open sea, radioactive substances released in the sea water from the discarded nuclear submarines, hot water released from the power plants, and the oil which is released from the oil tankers into the sea water that may cause marine pollution. These are the sources of marine pollution that will be harmful to the animals which exist in the sea water, like fishes or sea animals, or plants which exist in the sea water. These are the sources of marine pollution. Then noise pollution. Noise pollution, due to noise, the pollution that may occur. That noise is the undesirable sound that interferes significantly with the comfort, health, or welfare of the person, or the full use or enjoyment of the property. That may cause noise pollution that will be harmful to the human being, that will cause discomfort to the persons. So that due to loud noise, due to several causes, the noise pollution may occur from the industries or from the vehicles. There are different sources of noise pollution is there. From the industries, by the use of loudspeakers. There may be stationary sources or mobile sources. Due to traffic noise, railway traffic, air traffic, navigation. These are the several sources of noise pollution. The sources of noise and their levels are given in decibel, dB. Sources of noise is audible is up to 20 decibel. Threshold of hearing is 0. Audible up to 20 decibel, 30. Bedroom at night 30 decibel. Living room 40 decibel. Offices 50 decibel. Normal conservation 60 decibels. City street corner 70 decibel. Inside an automobile 80 decibels. Heavy machinery workshop having 90 decibels. There are the various levels of noise is given in this table. From the autos on highways having 110 decibels noise. Boiler shop 120 decibel. Orchestra 130 decibel. Rocket takeoff 200 decibel. There are the various sources of noise and its levels. levels in the decibel is given. The vehicle type and their noise is given in this table. The noise measuring instrument is given here. Okay. How this noise is measured in the decibels. The measuring instrument is the LEPA. Okay. The vehicle type and luxury car असेल, luxury limousine having noise 77 decibel, small passenger car having 79 decibel, passenger car having 84 decibel, sports car having 91 decibel, motorcycle 94 decibel, scooter is having 80 decibel. वेगवेगळे लेवल्स दिलेले आहेत. ओके. तसंच construction equipment and their sound levels are given. Construction equipment like paver, rock drill, scraper, jackhammer, dump truck, dozer, generator pumps, pneumatic tools, concrete baker, air compressor, त्याचे वेगवेगळे लेवल्स इथे दिलेले डेसिमल मध्ये. So this will be harmful to the human being. Its harmful effect will be audible effects that will cause the harmful effect on the human being. Okay. That may cause harmful effects like auditory effects, speech interface, so auditory effect मध्ये काय येणार, that may harmful to your ears if the noise is increased beyond the certain level, that may cause harmful effect on your ears. So it will damage your ears. Hearing loss may occur. Speech interface, if noise is more, then one cannot understand the one person is talking. If one person is talking, he cannot understand what he's saying. If the noise level is higher, the maximum acceptable noise level under such circumstances is 55 decibel. More than that level, then it will create noise pollution. It is considered to be noisy up to 70 decibel. Noise level is up to 70 decibel is considered to be very noisy and serious interference with verbal communication that may occur during when two persons are talking. Then it will create the noise pollution. If that noise, it will increase up to 70 decibel. And some sleep interference may occur due to increase of this noise level. That may that may affect the health of the persons. There may be loss of sleep from the noise affects personal well-being. If this noise level increases above the 40 decibel, then there will be the chances of noise pollution. And also there are task interference, behavioral effects are there due to noise pollution that may create several problems like irritation, learning disabilities. If one is studying, one person studying, that may create several learning disabilities or limitations may occur. So that may create adverse effect on the human health. There are several effects of the noise pollution. समजलं इथपर्यंत काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे का यामध्ये? Up to you have seen this pollution. त्यामध्ये एअर पोल्युशन आपण पाहिलंय, एअर पोल्युशन, वॉटर पोल्युशन, मराइन पोल्युशन, सॉइल पोल्युशन अँड नॉइज पोल्युशन. तर एक्झाम मध्ये यापैकी काही विचारू शकतात. ओके, so here will stop. आतापर्यंत आपण 5 मिनिट आपण पाहिले आहे, पाहिलेले आहेत. स्टडी दिस 5 मिनिट्स. त्यानंतर इंट्रोडक्शन पाहिलंय, त्यानंतर इकोसिस्टीम पाहिलंय, स्टडी द इकोसिस्टीम, त्यानंतर बायोडायव्हर्सिटी, नॅचरल रिसोर्सेस, biodiversity and air pollution. These are the 5 units. Okay, you can ask anytime to me if any problem, if any doubts are there, you can contact me. मी MCQ questions मी सेंड करणार आहे ग्रुपवर, टेस्ट सुद्धा ग्रुपवर टाकणार आहे, ते तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करा. काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर तुम्ही विचारा. 13 तारखेला एक्झाम आहे, ऑनलाईन एक्झाम, दॅट यू हॅव टू गिव्ह. ओके, तर स्टडी मटेरियल दिलेलं आहे, लिंक मी पाठवलेलं आहे, स्टडी मटेरियल मध्ये दिलेलं पहा, दॅट यू कॅन रेफर. व्हिडिओ लेक्चर्स मी सेंड टाकलेले आहेत ह्याच्यामध्ये, स्टडी मटेरियल मध्ये. PPTs I will send on the group that you can refer. बुक सुद्धा पाठवले आहे मी ग्रुपवर. ओके, that you can also refer. समजलं नसेल तर विचारा. ओके, ऑल गिव्ह अटेंडन्स इन चॅट बॉक्स. अटेंडन्स द्या चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये.